I'll give it to him. He's determined. It's dark out here. It feels like it's gonna snow. Oh wait, it did snow yesterday. Yeah, and it's May 13th, and it just snows here constantly, like we're in Alaska or something. Well, here we go. We're gonna put our header on now that we weld the O2 sensor bung into it for ECU. Let's get the car up, fight this thing in here a little bit. We did the drive shaft last night, and get this in. Probably we got wire harness kind of on. We gotta figure out where we're gonna go through the firewall, and this is a little tight and it sucks. You gotta come back and then swing that underneath the transmission, the bottom. There you go. You gotta go up more with the car. It's a unique way of jacking. Would you like me to jack it up for you?
Sure, if you want. It's Kegels. There we go.
Now if you get around your steering like so, I can't reach now. You gotta tip the ass end down. So no, we're not up high enough. Now it might be. Can you get the ass end down more? I can't reach now. There you go. What a pain in the ass. Go get some bolts in your gasket.
What's that?
Go get some bolts in your gasket. Well, I'll spare the antics of me holding this. It's a fight when you got such short bolts. What are you trying to do?
I gotta pull out a little bit. I can't get the gasket in.
There you go. Extra hands help sometimes. They definitely make it tight in these cars to put headers on. You can do it. Alright. Oh, you gotta put the gasket on this side. I'll get the plugs in this thing. Maybe we'll get the wires made for it too. And figure out where we're gonna mount coil. Trying to take the bump stops off. He gave up on the spark plugs for some reason. But so far everything's been pretty smooth, other than the drive shaft. And now, if anybody knows an alternator that has that clocked in a different position, so I don't have to modify the valve cover, that would be fantastic. And then we're gonna make power steering pumps in the wrong spot, I'm pretty sure, but it fits there. But not gonna be hard for hoses. Just gotta crimp it on down this, and I think we're all set there. So Jordan got the flywheel bolts in. So other than putting a starter on it, we're waiting for the radiator and what else?
Radiator, oxygen sensor, tranny cooler lines.
Oh, and the tranny cooler lines. Then we're doing good. We just gotta run a fuel line, hook up, figure out where exactly we want to mount it, we got a surge tank here. We'll probably put in the trunk. And then run fuel lines up and hook up the fuel pressure regulator. And you still got to get a battery.
I'll just take one out of the daily.
So, should take one out of the daily. That's where we're at right now. So, Gonzo.
Well, no, look at it. Like, part of it is gone.
Yeah, have fun getting that off.
Oh, grinders for.
Grinders for? Yeah, I guess. Get the gay ass fog lights that somebody put on back in the day. Yeah, one nut straight ahead. That's off. So that evap line, well, I guess you would call it an evap line, charcoal canister. It's going to disappear. And then that fuel line's going to disappear. Fuel's on the other side, isn't it? Guess that determines some things, I guess. Yeah.
I mean, we can still come up that side and then run the pressure regulator over.
Run the fuel pressure regulator back by the coil, which we'll figure out where we're going to mount the coil. Headers are on, spark plugs are in, wires are on. Gotta get some vacuum caps, and then we gotta address the throttle cable too. Which should be fun. Maybe try a truck throttle cable. We couldn't get that lucky though.
And kick down cable.
Oh, and a kick down cable. So if anybody has any suggestions, well, the truck kick down cable should work. We're hoping. Yeah. You need an extension? Still trying to get the header on? Just kidding. Yeah, that's a bear. Bear of a time over here. It's tight. And it's so simple, yet so hard. By hand? Why?
Because they're at a weird angle. They come up.
Come up. That sucks. I'll give it to him. He's determined. It's dark out here. It feels like it's gonna snow. Oh wait, it did snow yesterday. Yeah, and it's May 13th. And it just snows here constantly, like we're in Alaska or something. It's probably warmer in Alaska than it's here. But it'd be even darker than this, but my light's on, as you can see when it reflects. But he's been fighting with it for quite a while now. Like an hour. We have a plasma cutter, but this is more fun. Right, Jordan?
Yeah.
It's way more fun.
Way more fun.
Fighting it all
I
the way
suggest this to anybody.
Yeah. I would too.
It's so close.
I'm freezing. I'm like in this winter coat. Uh-oh, I'm gonna get attacked by a rabid pit bull. Maybe not. Just beeline it the other way. Done yet?
No.
I'm gonna shine a flashlight in your face like you did to me when I was driving. Now that we were so rudely interrupted by a telemarketer, and you know, I'd rather use my phone all the time to record. Not that we have like 4 GoPros or anything. He's almost got it. We have power tools too, but he can't get at it. Sawzall?
We'll use that for the other one.
Yeah?
The other one's stripped out.
Oh, man.
I'll rust it off. One of them.
Weight reduction. There we go. This alternator pisses me off. I want to say they make a smaller amped alternator that might just fit in there, but I'm not 100% positive. It's been a while since I've hooked up.
Or a larger one that'll put it up further.
Or a larger one. So we really have to cut it. We'll cut and notch the valve cover. Why not? But I don't know. You can see way down in there. There's our home for the new oxygen sensor, tucked away from everything. And let's see if we can spot our other hard work. His vibrator until he gets it balanced. But there's a drive shaft. Custom. Like this custom exhaust. And look at those sweet ass traction bars. Done yet?
It's getting easier.
Getting easier. You have a chrome spot on the bumper there.
Yep.
Come on, pour some nibbles. Are you hungry? Are you hungry, fat dog? Come on.
Oh man. Well, now I'm being blinded myself. I guess we're gonna call this it. And yeah. I guess we'll pick up on Friday when it's supposed to be 70 out. It'll probably be 20 and snowing, but we'll see. I was gonna call it a day, but he got it.
Please. How heavy that is.
Wow, that's weight reduction. That thing's like 35 pounds. That's insane. Ready?
I thought they were hollow.
They're definitely solid. That's like a dumbbell. Weight reduction.
Looks so much better.
In a chrome spot. Peace.